السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we will be reading a story called Spread Peace. فَأَصْلِحُوا بَيْنَ أَخَوَيْكُمْ. Make peace between your two brothers. Abu Bakr and Bilal were at Hamza's house when Bilal said, "Let's play football." They started playing in the back garden and were having lots of fun. Bilal kicked the ball and it hit Hamza on the face. Bilal was worried, thinking that Hamza was going to be angry with him. Abu Bakr spoke to Hamza to calm him down and to reconcile him with his friend. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not like us to quarrel with one another. Forgive him, for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala likes those who forgive others and don't take revenge. Hamza and Bilal hugged each other and they all started playing together once again. This is the end of the story. We must not quarrel with one another, as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala likes those who make peace between themselves and forgive others. Jazakallah khair wa alaykum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.